We bring you some breaking news once again from the state of Uttar Pradesh. Now it's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath who's once again reiterated his strong stance when it comes to the significance of Sanatan Dharma. Without directly naming any political opponent, without naming Akhilesh Yadav, the Chief Minister took a veiled jibe and he was speaking at an event. He remarked that while some may inherit a throne, wisdom is not passed down. Gaddi mil gayi, par buddhi nahi. That's the jibe coming in, and this also comes after Akhilesh, remember, took a jibe at Yogi Adityanath, where he made an appeal sarcastically to the sadhus of Mahakumbh, where he said, when you go there, take someone along with you. And now it is the Chief Minister who says, Gaddi mil gayi, par buddhi nahi. Let's listen in.
वो क्षण महाकुंभ का है और इसके लिए हम लोग अपना सौभाग्य मानते हैं कि इस आयोजन के साथ हमें जुड़ने का एक अवसर प्राप्त हो रहा है। सरकार के नाते भी हमारी भी कुछ नैतिक जवाबदेही बनती है। उस आस्था को अगर आधुनिकता के साथ जोड़ करके श्रद्धालुओं की सुविधा को और अच्छा क्या करने में हम योगदान दे सकते हैं तो उसमें बुराई क्या है। लेकिन यही होता है, इसी को कहते हैं कि गद्दी तो विरासत में मिल जाती है लेकिन बुद्धि नहीं मिलती है। बुद्धि के लिए प्रयास करना होता है।
Adeep is joining us live. Adeep, no points for guessing who the Chief Minister was talking about, especially in the back of the kind of commentary that is being made by political parties in Uttar Pradesh with regards to the Mahakumbh. Now, the Mahakumbh, matters the most to Hindu pilgrims who wait for this day for more than 12 years to come and to be part of this confluence of faith. And now the kind of commentary that's going on, is that going to deter the sentiments of the devotees as well?
See, Sagarika, Mahakumbh is all about faith and tradition, and it was first Akhilesh Yadav who made the comments on Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, although he did not name took any name, and he said that he's going to pray to saints that when they are leaving from Mahakumbh, they can take someone along with him. And now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, without naming Akhilesh Yadav, he has attacked him. He's saying that the people can get thrown very easily, but wisdom is not passed on, and one has to work very hard for wisdom. So this is how Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has taken on Akhilesh Yadav, where he recently made comments on him. Where Akhilesh Yadav and the entire Samajwadi Party, they had been making comments on Mahakumbh for the organization of Mahakumbh. It was all the leaders of Samajwadi Party from all the ranks. They had been criticizing the organizing of Mahakumbh by the state government. First, they are raising questions on the budget that has been allocated. They are raising allegations on the preparations for Mahakumbh. But Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, where he was speaking in an event, he has given the direct response to Samajwadi Party without naming them, without naming its leader. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath says that one has to work very hard for wisdom.
Let's put this into context. The Chief Minister's Gaddi mil gayi par buddhi nahi comment comes in the back of the kind of commentary being made by leaders of the Samajwadi Party as pointed by Adeep. Let's also tell you what Akhilesh Yadav said recently with regards to the Mahakumbh. Let's listen in.
अब बहुत बड़े पैमाने पे संत महात्मा गुरु ऋषि मुनि बड़ी संख्या में लोग आए हैं कुंभ में। बड़ा आयोजन हो रहा है। मैं तो सभी साधु संत ऋषि मुनियों से यही प्रार्थना करूंगा कि जब वो जाएं तो अपने साथ किसी और को भी लेते जाएं यहां से।